Good morning. I'm Emma, the new marketing assistant.
Hi there. Welcome aboard. I'm Ryan, the team leader.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. Everything looks so professional here.
It's a good place to work once you find the coffee machine.
That's important information.
Don't worry, I'll give you a quick tour.
I'd love that, thanks.
This area is for the marketing team. Over there's design and finance is next door.
Wow, everyone looks so busy already.
Mondays are like that. Don't let it scare you.
I won't. I'm excited to learn.
Great attitude. What attracted you to marketing?
I love creative work and understanding people's interests.
You'll fit right in then.
That's reassuring. Oh, is this my desk?
Yes, and here's your computer setup.
Perfect. I'll get settled right away.
Welcome to the team, Emma.
Thank you, Ryan. I'm ready to start this journey.
Let's make your first day a memorable one. All right, team. Let's begin our weekly meeting.
Should I take notes?
Yes, please. It'll help you learn faster.
The client wants stronger engagement on Instagram.
Thanks, Mark. Emma, do you have any ideas?
Maybe we can post short behind-the-scenes videos of their work?
Excellent suggestion.
Yeah, that kind of content feels authentic.
Let's assign Emma to draft a concept for that.
Sure. I'll prepare it by tomorrow.
Fantastic. Next, our ad budget.
I've updated the spreadsheet and shared it with you all.
Great. Emma, I'll show you how we track performance later.
That'd be great. Thanks.
Any questions before we wrap up?
When's the final deadline?
Next Friday. Let's make it count.
Got it. I'll do my best.
I already know you will.
Challenge accepted. Finally, a coffee break.
You've earned it. First meetings are always intense.
I was so nervous when you asked me for ideas.
You didn't show it at all. You handled it like a pro.
Really? I was terrified.
Confidence comes with time. You're off to a strong start.
Thanks. I really appreciate your support.
No problem. The first week is all about learning the ropes.
So what's your secret to surviving busy days here?
2 things. Good coffee and good humor.
I can manage that.
Also, don't skip lunch. People forget and burn out fast.
Noted. I'll keep snacks in my drawer.
Smart move.
Do we usually have meetings every morning?
Only on Mondays. The rest of the week is more flexible.
That's good to know.
You'll get used to the rhythm soon.
I'm already feeling more comfortable.
That's the spirit. Okay, Emma, let's brainstorm slogans for the campaign.
How about your story, our vision?
That's catchy. I like it.
Or maybe connect, inspire, grow.
Powerful words. That could work too.
We can also test which one performs better online.
Great idea. A/B testing always gives us clear results.
Should we include visuals for each slogan?
Yes, it helps clients visualize the message.
I'll make mock-ups for both options.
Perfect. You're really proactive.
I just want to make sure I'm adding value.
You definitely are.
Do you think clients prefer emotional or professional tones?
Depends on their brand. But emotional stories always connect.
I agree. People remember feelings more than words.
Well said, Emma. You've got good instincts.
Thanks, Ryan. Working here is already inspiring me.
That's exactly what I like to hear.
Let's make this campaign unforgettable. The food here smells amazing.
The food here smells amazing.
You're not helping my diet plan.
Consider it a welcome meal.
Fine, pasta it is. So how long have you worked here?
Almost 5 years now.
Wow, that's impressive. What keeps you motivated?
The projects are always different. It never gets boring.
That's what I love about marketing. It's dynamic.
Exactly. No 2 clients are the same.
What's the most memorable campaign you've done?
Probably the one that went viral last year. Total surprise.
That must have been exciting.
It was. We even got featured in a local magazine.
That's amazing. I hope I can be part of something like that.
You will. You've got the right attitude.
Thanks, Ryan. I'll take your word for it.
You can. I've got a good eye for talent.
Then I'm in good hands.
You definitely are. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us.
Good afternoon. Excited to see what you've prepared.
Emma will walk you through our new concept.
Thank you. So this campaign focuses on emotional connection and trust.
Wow, this is impressive. It captures exactly what we wanted.
Emma handled the entire design process.
Really? Fantastic job, Emma.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you like it.
The tone feels authentic, very human.
That's what we aimed for.
We'd like to move forward immediately.
That's wonderful news.
Congratulations, Emma. First project, first win.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Team effort, always.
Great work, both of you.
Thank you again.
Let's celebrate later.
Maybe, but I still appreciate your guidance.
Always happy to help.
Any plans for the evening?
Just a movie and some pizza. You?
Same idea. I'm too tired to cook.
Welcome to real office life.
I think I'm gonna love it.
I'm sure you will. See you tomorrow, Emma.
See you, Ryan. Have a good night.
You too. Great work today.
Cheers to Emma's first successful campaign.
Couldn't have asked for a better start.
Thank you, everyone. I'm really grateful.
You set the bar high for new hires.
I just had a great team to learn from.
That's what teamwork is all about.
This means a lot. I'll keep doing my best.
And we'll keep challenging you.
I look forward to it.
Now, who wants cake?
Still here? Long day, huh?
Yeah, just finishing some notes for next week.
That's impressive. Not everyone reflects like that.
I just want to keep improving. There's so much to learn.
That mindset will take you far.
Thanks. I want to help lead a campaign one day.
You'll get there sooner than you think.
I'll hold you to that.
Deal. Now go home and rest. Tomorrow's another adventure.
Good night, Ryan. See you tomorrow.